Welcome to the home of English and the sixth part of our active and passive voice session. So far, we have discussed voice and hints and rules of conversion of active and passive voice. In this lesson, we will solve 30 practice exercises. Watch the entire lesson, subscribe and press the bell icon to get all updates and upcoming lessons. Let's start. Active and passive voice practice exercise. Change the voice of the following sentences. First one is, he bought new scissors. He bought new scissors. Here, new scissors is the object. So after conversion, new scissors were bought by him. New scissors were bought by him. Here, the rule is used for some nouns which take plural verbs followed by it. New scissors means the scissors is always followed by plural auxiliary verb. But if it is a pair of scissors, then it will be singular auxiliary verb. Next, they have brought news for you. The passive is, news has been brought for you by them. Here again, news is used with a singular auxiliary verb. News is considered singular. News has been brought for you by them. Next, he has repaired his quarters. He has repaired his quarters. His quarters have been repaired by him. Here again, quarters is taken as plural. It is always used as plural. His quarters have been repaired by him. Fourth one, the minister has issued orders for his transfer. The minister has issued orders for his transfer. Passive is, orders for his transfer have been issued by the minister. Here, orders is plural. Orders for his transfer have been issued by the minister. That's why have is used. Orders have been. I received summons yesterday. I received summons yesterday. Summons was received by me yesterday. Even though summons ends with an S, it is a singular noun. So we use singular auxiliary verb. Summons was received by me yesterday. Next, which book do you like most? Which book do you like? Here it is an interrogative sentence. So we had learned interrogative pronouns like which and what are converted to which and what itself, but who is changed to whom and whom is changed to who. The same way, here which is changed to which only. Which book is liked most by you? Next, nobody saw him going out. Here it is a negative pronoun. So we use convert this sentence to a negative. He was not seen going out. Nobody saw him going out. He was not seen going out. Who did this work? Again, an interrogative sentence. By whom was this work done? Who is changed to by whom. It can also be written, who was this work done by? That is also right. Who was this work done by? Ninth, who has taught you English? By whom have you been taught English? Or who have you been taught English by? Both are right. Here, who is changed to by whom. By whom have you been taught English? What are you teaching? Interrogative sentence. Same interrogative pronoun, that is what. What is being taught by you? Being is the to be form. What is being taught by you? Who is liked most by you? Here it is passive sentence. We need to convert to active. Who is liked most by you? Whom do you like the most? Who is changed to whom? Whom do you like most? Next, nobody can mend this wall. Again, a negative pronoun. Nobody can mend this wall. Converted to negative sentence. This wall cannot be mended. This wall cannot be mended. Somebody has stolen my books. Somebody has stolen my books. My books have been stolen. By somebody is understood. We may omit it, may not mention. My books have been stolen. That is enough. One should do one's duty. One should do one's duty. Its passive is duty should be done. By one is not required, can be omitted. Duty should be done. It is enough. Somebody told us to wait outside. We were told to wait outside. By somebody is understood. No need to mention. Somebody told us to wait outside. Passive is we were told to wait outside. Next, they hope that we will pass. We have learned some words like hope, believe, decide, know, expect. When these verbs are used, then we start the sentence with it is. They hope that we will pass. It is hoped that we will pass. So that is a passive. People believe that he will return soon. Again, the verb believe. So we start with it is. It is believed that he will return soon. He is believed to return soon. That is also right. He is believed to return soon. Next, we decided that we would leave early. We decided that we would leave early. It was decided that we would leave early. Starting with it was. Nobody knows how rich he is. It is not known how rich he is. It is not known. Here there are two rules. One is the negative pronoun rule. When there is a negative pronoun, we make a negative sentence as passive. So it is not known. And because of know, the verb know, we start with it is. It is not known how rich he is. Next, he expects that he will pass. It is expected that he will pass. Again, he is expected to pass. Both are right. He is expected to pass. It is expected that he will pass. Both are correct passive forms. He has given me a book. I have been given a book by him. He has given me a book. I have been given a book by him. Also, a book has been given to me by him. Here there are two objects, me and a book. We can make passive using both these objects. Both are correct. First we made using the object me and it became I in the passive. I have been given a book by him. The second sentence we use a book as the subject. A book has been given to me by him. They will ask me a question. I will be asked a question by him. A question will be asked of me by them. They will ask me a question. Two objects, me and a question. So first we use I will be asked a question by them. Second, a question will be asked of me by them. Both are right forms of passive. Next, they made him captain. He was made captain. By them is understood. We may not mention it. She told me a story. I was told a story by her. A story was told to me by her. Both are right. Both objects can be used to make passive. He bought me a scooter. Again, me and a scooter. Both are objects. I was bought a scooter by him and a scooter was bought for me by him. Next, I do not expect it from you. It is not expected of you by me. I do not expect it from you. It is not expected of you by me. The angry mob thronged the roads. The roads were thronged with the angry mob. Here, by is not used. Instead, we use the preposition with thronged. The roads were thronged with the angry mob. A blow of lathi killed the dog. A blow of lathi killed the dog. The dog was killed with a blow of lathi. Here again, by is not used. Instead, with is used. Not killed by a blow, but killed with a blow. That is the right usage. Do you know the lady? It's a question. Is the lady known to you? Known is followed by to, not by. Is the lady known to you? The book contains much information. Much information is contained in the book, not by the book. In is the correct preposition. Much information is contained in the book. So these are the 30 practice exercise questions. Revise once or twice and revise the previous lessons as well to get a clear idea. We will discuss some more questions in the coming class. Till then, bye. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get all updates and upcoming lessons. Thank you.